In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best brushless air blowers available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the brushless air blowers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the brushless air blowers mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, ZHOUYAN Turbo Jet Fan 200,000 RPM. The ZHOUYAN Turbo Jet Fan delivers a powerful airflow of 52 meters per second, making it ideal for dust cleaning, DIY projects, and electronics maintenance. With a Type-C charging interface, it ensures fast and convenient power-ups. This brushless air blower generates strong winds with high efficiency while remaining lightweight and portable for home and workshop use. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, and the turbojet design allows you to quickly remove dust, debris, or dry surfaces. CE certified and battery-powered, it's perfect for versatile cleaning tasks. Number 4, 450,000 RPM Mini Turbo Jet Fan. This 450,000 RPM Mini Turbo Jet Fan is a high-speed brushless air blower designed for efficient dust and leaf removal. Equipped with a 10,000 mAh battery, it offers extended runtime while producing a 70 meters per second wind force for rapid cleaning. Lightweight at just 600 g, it's easy to maneuver for home DIY, keyboards, and electronic devices. Its medium-pressure motor ensures consistent performance, while the brushless technology guarantees durability and quiet operation. AC-powered and CE certified, this mini turbo jet fan is compact, portable, and perfect for precise, powerful cleaning. Number 3, ZHOUYAN 1000W Brushless Turbo Fan. The ZHOUYAN 2000W Brushless Turbo Fan is a high-performance handheld jet fan ideal for snow, leaf, and dust removal. With a wind speed of 200 mph and a powerful output of 1 to 1.2 kg blowing force, this blower ensures efficient and rapid cleaning. Compatible with 21V or 18V batteries, it's portable for home DIY tasks. Its brushless motor provides long-lasting performance, while the CE certification ensures safety. Lightweight yet high power, it combines precision and speed to tackle heavy-duty cleaning effortlessly, making it perfect for automotive, garden, and household applications. Number 2, X3 Mini Turbo Jet Fan Blower. The X3 Mini Turbo Jet Fan Blower is a compact and rechargeable air blower with 4 nozzle attachments, designed for dust cleaning and light-duty tasks. Its brushless motor runs at 11,000 RPM, providing efficient and focused airflow. AC-powered and CE certified, this air blower is ideal for home DIY, electronics, and delicate cleaning jobs. The lightweight and ergonomic design ensures easy handling, while the turbojet technology maximizes wind speed and efficiency. Perfect for users who need precise cleaning in small spaces or portable dust removal solutions. Number 1, ZHOUYAN 800,000 RPM Turbo Violent Fan. The ZHOUYAN 800,000 RPM Turbo Violent Fan is a high-speed brushless air blower designed for professional and home use. With a maximum wind speed of 60 meters per second, it effectively removes dust, snow, or debris from cars, computers, and outdoor spaces. The 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery provides long-lasting performance, and the USB charging makes it convenient for on-the-go use. Its brushless motor ensures durability and efficient airflow, while CE certification guarantees safety. Lightweight yet powerful, this blower is suitable for cooling, cleaning, and versatile DIY applications.